لله رب العالمين الصلاة والسلام على خاتم النبيين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قال الله تعالى في سورة البقرة وإذ قلتم يا موسى لن نصبر على طعام واحد فادع لنا ربك يخرج لنا مما تنبت الأرض من بقلها وقثائها وفومها وعدسها وبصله قال أتستبدلون الذي هو أدنى بالذي هو خير اهبطوا مصرا فإن لكم ما سألتم وضربت عليهم الذلة والمسكنة وباءوا بغضب من الله ذلك بأنهم كانوا يكفرون بآيات الله ويقتلون النبيين بغير الحق ذلك بما عصوا وكانوا يعتدون. Translation. And when you said, O Musa, we cannot endure one kind of food, so pray to your Lord as on our behalf that he should bring forth for us what the earth produces of its green herbs and cucumbers, wheat and lentils and onions. He said, would you have an exchange that is meaner for what is better? Go down any town and you will have what you ask for. Abasement and poverty were pitched upon them, and they incurred the wrath of Allah. This was because they denied the signs of Allah and slew the prophets unjustly. This was because they disobeyed and exceeded the limits. In this ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning the same time when they were in the wilderness. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gave them food, which was the man and salwa, but they got bored eating the same food every day, and they asked Musa alayhi salam for praying to Allah to give them the lentils, onions and herbs and so forth, as mentioned in this ayah. Hazrat Musa alayhi salam said that you are asking to have what is meaner for what is better, and he advised them to go down any town and you will have what you ask for. And the same thing happened. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala put poverty and abasement on them because they disobeyed Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have given the Bani Israel very hard times of poverty and struggle because of their disobediences. Throughout their history, the Jews have always, at best, been ruled by or have been subordinate to other people, generally the Muslims or the Christians. Now it is replaced by the secular West. What we have seen in our lifetimes is the Jews as being very wealthy nation, but even today their existence is not easy. They have to be, very kind of insecure. They always are insecure, and it's insecurity pushing it to the unrelenting tyranny and deceit, as we see what's going on nowadays. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, have given them this poverty and abasement, and the worst time we have seen in their prosecution was the Nazi era, and it will continue as they continue to disobey Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They also murdered their prophets, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala have given them the result of their disobedience. They had so many prophets, but instead of following them, they murdered them. May Allah give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen. Wa akhiru da'wana anil hamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.